In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Docs to Google Slides. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to jazz up their presentations by leveraging the content they've already prepared in their Google Docs. So let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First off, we're going to kick things off by installing an essential extension called Slides Toolbox. This tool simplifies the conversion process, allowing for a seamless transition from text-based documents to engaging visual slides. Begin by navigating to the top menu bar in your Google Docs. Click on Extensions. This will prompt a drop-down menu where you need to select Add-ons. Now let's move to the Add-on search bar. Here, type Slides Toolbox and hit Enter. You'll see various options displayed, but we want to focus on the first one that appears. Click on it and proceed to install. During installation, you may be asked to log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you do this to grant the necessary permissions. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've pre-installed the add-on to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you've installed the add-on, it's time to put it into action. Now return to the top menu and again select Extensions. Choose Slides Toolbox from the list and click on Open. You should see a panel appear on the right part of your screen. This is where the magic happens. At this point, you'll want to click on Import, a feature within the toolbox that lets you bring your Google Docs content into the slides format. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, it might take a bit of time for this panel to fully load. So a little patience here goes a long way. Once it's ready, you'll see various options such as My Drive, Google Drive, Shared Drives, and Shared with Me. Each option represents different storage categories within your Google account. Select the category containing the document you wish to convert. After you've found your document, click Select. With your document now selected, it's time to hit Import. If the document is particularly large or complex, you might notice a brief wait again as it loads, so stay patient. This is just the final step before your document materializes as a slide presentation. Once everything is loaded, voila! You'll find that your entire document has magically transformed into a series of slides. This easy conversion can significantly enhance your presentations by moving them from static text to a dynamic and interactive visual format. And just like that, you now have the blueprint for converting Google Docs to Google Slides, making your presentations not only informative but engaging as well.